What's up, people from YouTube? I don't really know what the fuck we doing, but we got the window motor, cause my motherfucking window don't roll down, so we about to change it out. We haven't even seen no videos on how to do it, or any like steps on how to do it. We sending it. We just about to do it.
This 04 TL too, by the way, just in case we get it and you guys ever need help or whatever. You found your shift knob?
Yeah, that shit was in my culo the whole time. I swear.
Hell nah.
I swear.
Was there a screw behind it?
Yeah.
You need flathead?
Yeah.
There's a screw behind that door handle thing. Look at this new toolbox I got. That shit gay. I like my red one better.
Alright, so we just gonna start taking out the door panel first. You got this shit like what, a month ago? 2 months ago?
Yeah.
We already changed the bumper and the fender.
He got this shit for a steal. Hold on, I'll show you guys what he's talking about, fender and bumper. The guy who had it before him was trying to drift in the snow or ice and hit a pole. Fucked up the whole light, fender, and bumper. Picked this car up for what? How much?
9 bills.
900 bucks. 04 TL. Shit ton of miles though, but I think it's a steal.
Motor.
Oh, motor swap?
Yeah.
Oh. You're about to get this door panel off, and then I think it's just that screw and then clips all around, right?
No, there's a screw here. There's 2 in here. 1 right here. And I think that's it. Oh, 1 right here.
Is it still sprinkling? A little bit. The fuck is this?
Yoshi as fuck. It says Yoshia.
That shit ain't coming? I had to push this shit outside because it's too hot in this damn garage.
Move this shit because obviously it's in the way.
I don't think we need that, to be honest. I did this on the BMW I had, and we had to take the whole window out. So we might have to take the whole window out on this too. The replacement part don't look that hard. Oi, oi.
So what the fuck? I'm pretty sure it went right here, cause what the fuck?
What the fuck is that?
Is this right now? I don't think it fucking has one, dude.
I don't think it does either, huh? No, it has to, I think.
Yeah. I don't know, we tripping, we don't know what we doing.
Where the bolts at? That wire was holding the window up, so took that wire off.
Yeah, look at it.
Piece of shit.
Fucking junior.
Hey, that shit gonna fall. Got the tin. You know them Harbor Freight special tools right here.
Yeah.
You got that.
Fast forward moment.
No, again, we've never done this, so you guys are learning with us. Well, on this type of car. Now this fucking window will work finally.
No, I can roll down the window.
I think there's something else holding it.
The window?
I tried to take, oh yeah, take it all the way out. Yeah. Man, you guys seen how easy that shit was. Now we just gotta take this whole piece out.
But where is it? We don't know. Can you see through here? I don't know, but there's hella shit loose in here. Oh, hell no. Look at, what the fuck is, where's that from?
Holy shit.
Hold up. What the fuck? Where'd these go?
I don't know, to be honest.
Are we going anywhere here?
Is it?
Look at, look, oh, this
yeah.
part right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's where the springs came from, right here, look. So I guess we don't need that since we're replacing it, right?
Nah, hopefully not. We gotta figure out, we gotta take that wire out all the way.
So I'm guessing the motor went right here, then that's where he had
What
it.
is this?
Huh?
What is this? Oh, the motor's right here, I think. Yeah, yeah, the whole thing's right here. So it's you see right here? Hey, cause that's that line piece right there, yeah. So we gotta take these two bolts off, I think. No?
Yeah, these two bolts. And these two?
Yeah. And don't lose those, cause we need those.
Fuck it, send it. Okay. You guys are gonna see me change the tires on NASCAR.
With manual tools, not even impacts or nothing. You're gonna have a 4-way out on the track. There's a rainbow over there. Can you guys? Yeah, you guys can see it. Oh. Sorry, there's a bug on me.
Shit.
Everybody's doing YouTube now. Something I've noticed in my city. They want to be like Dad.
Hold up.
Take it out from like right here. There you go.
Fucking piece of shit. Wanna let me roll down my window? Fucking. Yeah, look.
Oh yeah.
That's why you had it tied over here. So why is that empty then? What the fuck goes in?
That might be the motor. 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolts. One.
So yeah, like this.
Yeah.
Like so.
Yeah. But we don't have the bolts for those.
Son bitch. Son bitch.
You wanna go get some?
We gonna have to send it for right now and just use one from here and one from here.
Oh yeah. Do they fit in that though?
They should. I mean they are.
No, they those are bigger.
They are?
Are they?
No,
Fuck it. Using what we're supposed to use for those.
but fuck it. Like this side.
George dropping bolts down there.
It's not even going in. Fucking bitch.
We're gonna drop both them hoes.
Damn it.
We trying to get big like the Tequache niggas. Alright, we live.
Not to finish into the windows. We only got one tinted so far.
Oh, only that back one's tinted.
Shit.
We're fucked up on tinting it. Like we fucked the tint up, so. And he fixed this too. He was trying to put his double din touchscreen in here, but you guys can see.
And then it happened.
6-speed, right? Or is it 5-speed?
6-speed. 6-speed.
This was a lot easier than we expected, I would say. I think that's it for this video. You got anything to say?
Alright then motherfuckers, if y'all need a window motor shit for a 04 TL, hit me up. I got an extra spare one.
Works perfect.
Yep.
Shit, 40 bucks, it's yours. But be sure to like, comment what you want to see, give us ideas. We don't know what to be posting, and we don't really buy shit for our cars right now. So
And we'll be back with more videos.
subscribe.